Hey, Cornelius. Hey, Zeus. Spring makes me think of the little spring peepers, the little froggies chirping, and the flowers starting to bloom. Spring froggies, spring flowers. We've combined weirder things to summon toys on this show. Why not? What? HoneyMaru Froggy Greenery series? I think that was a pretty exact science. We got our frog plant hybrid, so I say, let's open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. And on today's episode, we are bringing you a boxed lunch exclusive, the HoneyMaru Froggy Greenery series. These are 4 blind box plushies that are basically a frog mixed with some sort of plant. And I love frogs and I love plants, so this and plushies. So this is definitely a win. So let's just open up and see what happens. Collect them all. Yes, that is the point. What is it? Ooh. Oh my God. No, you don't need to go play with that. We got the sunflower frog. Okay, this was one of the ones I wanted the most. I mean, okay, there's only 4 of them and I really want them all. Get a decent size plushie in it. Solid little suckers. So that's Mr. Sunflower. Let's try box number 2. Oh, we got the blue succulent frog. So maybe I should have bought more. Listen, I wasn't sure just like by the pictures. I didn't think, you know, sometimes the pictures look cuter and then you open up like the plushie and it's like, you know, just like that. Or steamrolled, or these. Oh dear, I love them so much. Oh, and they're just the right size for you, Zeus. Hold still. These look like something you could cuddle with. I gotta say, overall, I'm really impressed. It's very well done, very well stuffed, and now I need the whole set. The other 2 include, we have, it looks like one with a rose and, I don't know, maybe a lily. Overall, this is an adorable little springtime win. Thank you so much for tuning in this week. And make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More nature-related chimeras and mutations. Like, I'm always about the mashups, especially when it's biological creation. I should have been like a mad scientist or supervillain. It happened. Thanks again, and we will see you next time. Bye! And here we have our HoneyMaru Froggy Greenery plushes. We have the lovely sunflower and the adorable little succulent. I can't keep real plants alive, so I get mutant frogs instead.